학비를 내다. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 내다. Because today, on one Korean word a day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 내다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 249. 내다. 내다. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ne, second syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. 내다. 내다. 내다 is an action word, which means to pay. Again, 내다 is an action word, which means to pay. How do we write 내다 in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is ne, and this is formed by drawing first a nian character followed by an e character. For the second syllable da, we need to draw first a dikkat character followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word 내다. Again, nian plus e, and then dikkat plus a. That's 내다. Now let's try to look into this English expression. It says, to pay tuition fee. Again, to pay tuition fee. The Korean translation of this is 학비를 내다. Again, it's 학비를 내다. The first part of the expression is 학비를, which pertains to the tuition fee or a fee that you pay to a school when you study. Since 학비를 is a fee, it is something that has to be paid. That's why 내다 is attached to 학비를. 내다 is a Korean word which means to pay. So when you say 학비를 내다, it pertains to the action of paying a tuition. Again, 학비를 내다 means to pay tuition fee. And with that, you've just learned 내다. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 239 to 248. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 249, 내다. This is a verb which means to pay. The first word for our review is word number 248, 얼마예요, which means, how much is this? Word number 247 is 헐. This is a Korean slang which means no way or goodness. Word number 246 is 그래서, which means so. Word number 245 is 아름다운, which means beautiful. Word number 244 is 나쁜, which means bad. Word number 243 is 멀리, which means far. Word number 242 is 작은, which means small. Word number 241 is 큰, which means big. Word number 240 is 있다, which means to be in a certain location or to exist. And the last for our review is word number 239, 소년, which means boy. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.